atomic number 21 and the image for that is nail, and element with atomic number 21 is scandium, and for scandium image is scuba diver. Now how can you prepare a story? How can you link them? Imagine a scuba diver went deep in the sea and he found golden nail there in the sea, and that nail was very big. It is a story for nail related to scuba diver. Nail 21, scuba diver, scandium. Now image for atomic number 22 is penny, and element related to atomic number 22 is titanium, and for titanium image is tiger. So how can you prepare a story? Just imagine you are wandering in jungle and tiger was eating coins, and then you realized those coins are none other than pennies. Tiger eating penny. Now element with atomic number 23. So 23, for 23 image is nameplate, and element related to that is vanadium. For vanadium we are considering image vampire. So you have to prepare the story of them. In one film, a vampire, actually nameplate is not needed for that, but there was a plate, nameplate on forehead of the vampire. So nameplate means vampire. Now next element with atomic number 24 is chromium. For 24 image is knife, and for chromium image is crow. Now prepare the story related to knife and crow. When you thrown a food material in corridor of your house, you found one crow was taking the food material. In spite of big, knives were working as what the beak for the crow. So crow means knife. Knife, crow. Clear? Okay. Now element with atomic number 25 is manganese. So for 25 image is nest, and for manganese image is mango. Now you have to prepare a story. A small bird who was with a nest at your house brought mango and put it in the nest. Mango in the nest in order not to go waste. Element with atomic number 26 is iron, ferrum, Fe. For number 26 image is necklace, and for iron, iron is kept as it is. Now story to be prepared. You brought necklace from the market, but as you come to home you came to know it was not original gold. It was made up of what? The iron. Necklace of iron you brought at the cost of gold necklace. Necklace, iron. Element with atomic number 27 is cobalt. For number 27 image is net, and for cobalt image is cobra. Now you have to prepare a story. When you have thrown a net to catch a fish, and when you took it back, you realized fish were not there, cobras were there in the net in spite of fish. So net, cobra. Element with atomic number 28 is nickel. So for 28 image is nib, and for nickel image is one city in Karnataka Maharashtra border, Nippani. Now you have to prepare a story. One imported pen you were with, and that pen nib you search here and there in your town. Nowhere it is found. But somebody recommended you can get that nib at the place Nippani. So you went to Nippani to get the nib of the pen. Nib, Nippani. Element with atomic number 29 is copper. For 29, image is Nigard. And for copper, the word is kept as it is, copper. Now you have to relate the story of Nigard and copper. When you were playing kabaddi, you were injured. So in order not to have further injury, you wear knee guard. But what you noted in that knee guard, one where there was copper coin in the knee guard. Knee guard, copper. The element with atomic number 30 is zinc. For 30, image is mop. And for zinc, image is jinga. So now you have to prepare the story. You brought jingas from the market and you were boiling them. As of a sudden, all jingas came out from the pot. So you took a mop and you cleaned all jingas. So mop, jinga.